Good afternoon, everyone. After lunch, I think it's very difficult to focus, but I would request everyone who are at the back, you can come. There is no exam. We are not going to test anybody, so you can just come in front. The point is, when she introduced me, Dr. Poonam ma'am, she told that I'm into this, I'm into that. Yes, I am a doctor, but I do theater, I do modeling at times, I love doing so many other things as well. But does that define my career? So this is it. So keep your hands on your heart and let me know how many of you are doing what you wanted to do. Okay, is there anyone in this hall who could have done something else and was not able to do? Sir, so you wanted to be an actor. Okay. So बस यही बातें करेंगे, कुछ भी नहीं है. स्लाइड्स थोड़ा सा आप देखते रहिए मेरे साथ. करियर सिलेक्शन एडोलेसेंट बिगेस्ट डायलेमा. And we are all here. So this is the conflict between parental expectations and adolescent interest. ये conflict क्यों है? माँ सोच रही है इसके grades improve करो. I want to find my passion. पेरेंट बोल रहे हैं डू यू वांट टू फेल, पढ़ता क्यों नहीं है? माँ सोच रही है यार आई जस्ट वांट हिम टू बी हैप्पी. तो पेरेंट्स वांट देयर चाइल्ड टू परस्यू अ साइंस करियर. एडोलेसेंट सोच रहा है फिटनेस कर लेता हूँ, स्पोर्ट्स कर लेता हूँ, यूट्यूबर बन जाता हूँ, मेकअप आर्टिस्ट बन जाता हूँ, क्या क्या कन्फ्लिक्ट अराइज हो गया. और ये घर घर की कहानी है. अगर कोई सोचता है कि ऐसे उसके मन में या घर में नहीं हुआ तो झूठ है. तो अब क्या करें इस उलझन का? तो एक उलझन में एक मुझे ना बहुत पहले हमारे दूरदर्शन पे आता था, क्या बनोगे मुन्ना. पापा कहते बनो डॉक्टर, माँ कहती इंजीनियर, भैया कहते इससे अच्छा सीखो तुम कंप्यूटर. मैं पूरी कविता नहीं पढ़ूंगी, अगर आप पढ़ोगे तो आप समझ जाओगे कि बहुत सारे. चाचा बोलते करो बिजनेस, पैसा जल्दी आता. चाची कहती और कुछ करके विदेश क्यों नहीं जाता. तो बहुत कुछ है ऐसा. तो अब ये उलझन में क्या है, this way or that way. Let's change the subject. नए ज़माने के नए ख्वाब, हर दिल के अपने नए रास्ते हैं. कोई शेफ़ बनना चाहता है, कोई डांसर बनना चाहता है. सर आपके टाइम पे कोई बोल सकता था कि मुझे डांसर बनना है? डॉक्टर इंजीनियर है, नहीं तो टीचर बन जाओ, नहीं तो कुछ नहीं करना है तो शादी कर देंगे. ठीक है. अभी कोई कोडर बनना चाहता है, कोई गेमर, कोई यूट्यूबर, कोई इन्फ्लुएंसर. सो देयर आर सो मेनी ऑप्शंस. अपना रास्ता खुद बनाना है, यही अपनी मंजिल है. सो कैसे करेंगे? हाउ डू वी गो अबाउट इट? सो दीज आर सर्टन पीपल. आप इनकी फोटोज देखोगे, बिल गेट्स, स्टीव जॉब्स, पहचानते हैं? मार्क ज़करबर्ग, सबको. हाउ मेनी डिग्रीज दे हैव, डू यू नो? They just had passion. And then we have some Indian trailblazers like Nikhil Kamath, Virat Kohli, Babar Ali. They are earning like anything. They are doing what they wanted to do without traditional schooling or college. So where does it bring us? How do we address the conflict? बहुत मुश्किल है. So what we can do is we have to utilize certain standardized aptitude tests to help our adolescents understand their strength, their interest and their weaknesses also. So this is called aptitude testing, and in this we can both identify the strength and weaknesses and help the adolescent understand their abilities and then make some informed career decisions. Second comes career counseling. Career counseling, in some schools like CBSE schools, they have incorporated starting from 9th standard, and definitely at the before the start of the 10th, they let them decide whether they will want to go into science stream or the medical or the commerce. But let me tell you one more important thing. We are still into a tubular thing. We just have three visions: humanities, commerce or science, but there is a world beyond this and we need to explore that. So we can guide them about various career paths, we can tell them pros and cons, explore career options, guide career development, something which looks very relevant today. मेरे को रेडियोलॉजी मिल रही थी, मैंने नहीं ली. आज ऐसा हो सकता था? आज तो किसी को मिलती तो वो रेडियोलॉजी लेता सबसे पहले. So things change, careers develop and they change. So you can help them make informed decisions. A very beautiful thing is shadowing. Has anybody gone to Kidzania, the theme park? Kidzania, have you been there? Kidzania, they let you practice everything. So I took my 11-year-old daughter there. This is her pictures. She's trying to be a surgeon, trying to be a chef, trying to be a nuclear expert, even working as a DHL, worker. So this is how she does it. This is shadowing done in the best way. So you go to Kidzania, take your kid, he can opt for 20 options, 20 career options. How to do a surgery, what happens there, how do you change the scrub, then she goes and becomes a postman, then she becomes something else. So she gets a window of thinking, she knows what options are there. नहीं तो जो मम्मी पापा बताते हैं कि हम दोनों डॉक्टर हैं, तुमको डॉक्टर ही बनना है. So right now, after doing all this, my daughter now wants to be, basically, she wants to be a chef. And most of you may be knowing that my even elder son, he's already a chef. So he decided very long back. Then how do we find a balance? ऐसे बोलना बहुत easy है, यार बन जाओ. But as a traditional parent, I also went through this. यार तू क्या करेगा? तू शेफ बनेगा? अरे नहीं ऐसे कर. एडमिशन ले ले, डॉक्टर बन जा, आगे DR लगा ले, कोई बात नहीं, बाद में कुछ भी करते रहना. So it's very difficult. So how do you find that balance? It's important to find that balance. You have to have an empathetic approach, acknowledge the parental concerns also, explore the interest of the adolescents, and then try to find a common ground and try to keep a middle ground for both the parties. So this is like this is a mini conclusion here. So career selection is a very complex process that requires balancing the parent expectation and the adolescent autonomy. So nowadays you can just not say कि तेरे को तो डॉक्टर ही बनना पड़ेगा क्योंकि मेरा नर्सिंग होम चल रहा है, तुझे वो चलाना पड़ेगा. ऐसे नहीं होता है. अभी क्या करना है आगे? कुछ डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं जो करियर चॉइसेस के बारे में बताते हैं. दीज आर अवेलेबल. यू साइंस, गूगल करियर ड्रीमर, एप्टीट्यूड बेस्ड टेस्टिंग, Naviance and Kudar, this is a school-linked platform. Teen Career Path, vocational guidance apps are there. They can tell you through games how you can explore more career options. And then we have a Career One Stop, which is a global app, and it tells you about most of the options which are available. What are the Indian apps that are available for this? In India, we have this CBSE has launched 2 digital initiatives. One is the Career Guidance Dashboard. You go on CBC, just on the website there is a dashboard where you can explore, and the student can also do it. And then there are counseling hub and scope models for main schools, bigger schools, where people from the CBSE come. And this is the last slide that I have. Who is she and what do you see? She's actually Minnie. Her name is Minnie, and she looks depressed, sad, and she's into too much of, so many things are going across her. She is confused, she's into a chaos, she's into a conflict. So this is a 12-year-old girl just leaving her group of friends, feeling a little lost, as they have all decided what to do in life. But what does she want to do? She wants to do something different, something her heart wants to do, but she's not let us see. As she heads home, she notices a faint glow in the distance. मन में सोचते जा रही है कि क्या करूँ मैं, कुछ होगा जो मैं सोच रही हूँ वैसा हो जाएगा कि नहीं. So what happens? A door shimmers like it's made of starlight and symbols carved across it. So something opens? The door to her dreams open. So I think you can all relate, because when you were young you wanted something like this to come up कि मेरा सब कुछ जो मैं चाहता हूँ वैसे ही हो जाए. So this door opens. Then she realizes she can pursue what she really likes to do. What does she need to do? She needs to discuss it with her parents. And what do the parents need to do? The girl stepped back from the magical door, hurried back her home, and talked to her dad. At dinner, she told Mummy and Papa, I think I want to be a makeup artist. Because I love colors, I love brushes, and I love creating beauty. So, what did the father say? This is what she wants to do. Exactly. So what does the father say? Father said, follow your passion, learn your art, but also keep learning in school. Keeping the balance. So this is the catchword. Keeping the balance for both ends, the parents and the kid. Knowledge will always help you wherever you go. Whether you are working in a saloon, or you are working in a film set, or even if you want to run your own brand one day. So the parent is bringing up the education, the value of education, and not belittling her dreams. This is the just last slide. So what happens now? That girl is a little chirpy, she's happy, she knows her father has listened to her. We have found the balance. The career dilemma is over. She needs to study as well, and then she needs to grow up and pursue her dreams. So this is it. She realized she does not have to choose one thing over the other. She can do both the things, and her dream can be bigger than what she imagined, and is very excited to tell her friends. So this is the story of Minnie, but I think this should be the story of every home. So we have to find the balance, and if you're a little confused, use aptitude testing, career counseling, or shadowing opportunities for your kid. But mind it, the most important thing is to finding a balance with your expectations and what the child wants to do. Thank you so much. We are all very great at doing so many things, so let's try to find out. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Manmeet.